Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Lenovo laptop how to turn on keyboard lights. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to turn on keyboard lights on your Lenovo laptop, the first method that you can use is using keyboard shortcut. Look for a key with a keyboard light icon, usually F5, F6 or spacebar with light icon on some models. Then all you gotta do is press function key and press that key. As you can see on the screen, the keyboard light is now off and now it's set on low and then now it's set on high. Some Lenovo laptop supports 3 levels of low and high as I have shown you. The next method that you can use is using Lenovo Vantage. Simply open up your start menu and then type in Lenovo Vantage on your search bar and hit enter to open up the Lenovo Vantage. Then once you're inside the Lenovo Vantage, what you need to do is select game settings from the left hand side menu, device settings. Then once you're inside the device settings, what you need to do is select input option. Then once you're inside the input option, on the input right here you'll find keyboard backlight brightness. So you can select if you want to keep it on low, select low. If you want to keep it on high, select high, and then if you want to turn it off, simply select off. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.